The city of Chennai has been battered with heavy rains over the last 24 hours, and the state government has now asked people to stay indoors. Remember, several low-lying areas in the city of Chennai has been waterlogged for the last several hours now, and with the city now under orange alert, the government has issued an advisory asking people to stay indoors, and at the same time relief measures being put in place by the municipal body and the state government to ensure people in low-lying areas get shelter, food and other basic necessities. My colleague Purnima Murli gets you this report.
Chennai is witnessing moderate to heavy rains over the last 24 hours. Now light showers in the city, and because of incessant rains since Monday, you can see some of the areas remain waterlogged. This particular stretch is the Bazilla Road in T Nagar. This stretch is also waterlogged. Many low-lying areas are waterlogged because of incessant rains. Orange alert has been issued to districts including Chennai because of the cyclone Ditswa, and over the last 24 hours continuous rains in Chennai resulted in waterlogging issues that people are facing. Corporation officials, however, are monitoring the situation. They are trying to pump the water out of these waterlogged areas, but it will take a couple of more hours for them to clear water from such areas. And these are the visuals that you can see. Many areas are waterlogged, but if the rains continue, the situation will get worse, is what residents of Chennai tell us at this point in time. But work is underway to pump the water out of these waterlogged areas. You can see towards my left, you can see work is underway. If I can ask my camera person to show you, they are trying to pump the water out. This stretch, which was also waterlogged, they are trying to clear. Parts of this stretch is now cleared and work is still underway. So they are now trying to ensure that they clear the water out of these waterlogged areas, and that's going to be the focus of the Tamil Nadu government. Tamil Nadu government is monitoring the situation because of heavy rains that the city has witnessed since yesterday. Schools and colleges will remain shut in Chennai and Chengalpattu districts. Tamil Nadu government, they've asked people to stay indoors, not step out unless it's necessary, and not to step out unless it's necessary. So these are some of the measures taken by the Tamil Nadu government.